Get started by singing hello. Say hello to all my friends. Say hello to all my friends. Say hello to all my friends. Way down yonder in the paw patch. Bumsy, 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 way down yonder in the paw patch. Well, today I'm using my ukulele. You might have a ukulele at home or a guitar. You can use that to sing with me. And if you don't have a ukulele, you could clap your hands or pat your lap or your knees, right? Or you can just use your beautiful singing voices. Let's sing hello again. Say hello to all our friends. Say hello to all our friends. Say hello to all our friends. Way down yonder in the paw patch. Bumsy, 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 way down yonder in the paw patch. Don't forget to do the bumsy, bumsy part, right? And we can bounce up and down. Let's sing another hello song. This is a hello song that some of my friends already know. Hello friends, toodleloo, toodleloo, toodleloo. Hello friends, toodleloo, toodleloo, my daisy. That's the whole song. Can you sing it with me? Sing with me, toodleloo, toodleloo, toodleloo. Sing with me, toodleloo, toodleloo, my daisy. And how about clapping our hands? Clap your hands, toodleloo, toodleloo, toodleloo. Clap your hands, toodleloo, toodleloo, my daisy. How about stomping our feet? Stomp your feet, toodleloo, toodleloo, toodleloo. Stomp your feet, toodleloo, toodleloo, my daisy. Clapping and stomping are bumpy or staccato. We learned about that last week. Let's find something that's legato, smooth. Oh, I know. Roll your arms, toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo. Roll your arms, toodaloo, toodaloo, my daisy. I love that song. How about one more? Let's fly. Fly like an airplane, toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo. Fly like an airplane, toodaloo, toodaloo, my daisy. Airplanes can be smooth, legato, or they can be staccato, bumpy. You know what else? Airplanes can be fast and they can be slow. Do you know what fast is? Fast is like running feet, that's fast. Or swimming so fast, that's fast. What's slow? Slow is like taking a walk, going very slow, or maybe skating slowly. You can do that. You can also walk fast and skate fast. What goes fast? Cars. Cars can go fast and cars can go slow. Trains. Trains can go fast. And trains can go slowly as well. Hey, do you know any animals that can go fast? Maybe a cheetah or a tiger. Yeah. And animals that go slowly, like a snake. That's a reptile. Or a snail, right? How about a teeny tiny mouse? Quickly, quickly, oh so quickly runs the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, oh so quickly all around the house. The mice goes pretty fast. Can you move like a fast mouth? Use your fingers and go just like that. Just make a small mouse with your hand and say quickly, quickly, oh so quickly runs the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, oh so quickly all around the house. Whoa, so fast you can't even see it. Pretty cool, right? Another thing that goes slow or slowly, a snail. A snail. It moves pretty slowly. Slowly, slowly, oh so slowly moves the little snail. Slowly, slowly, oh so slowly, up the garden pail. Snails move slowly and mice move quickly or fast. We'll bring those back out in our Zoom lesson. But for now, can we move our bodies fast and slow? I think so. I'm gonna get my ukulele back and let's start slow. Let's walk. Oh, well, you walk and you walk and you walk and you stop. Walk and you walk and you walk and you stop. Walk and you walk and you walk and you stop. Walk and you walk and you walk and you stop. I love this song because we can practice going slowly or fast, and we can also practice starting and stopping. Let's do something fast. Running in place. So you don't move, you stay in the same spot, but your feet are running like you're a racer on a racetrack. Well, you run and you run and you run and you stop. Run and you run and you run and you stop. Run and you run and you run and you stop. Run and you run and you run and you stop. Oh, my running got really fast. In my mind, I wasn't really running. Let's do some bouncing. Babies can bounce on laps or on balls, even big kids. Oh, well, you bounce and you bounce and you bounce and you stop. Bounce and you bounce and you bounce and you stop. Bounce and you bounce and you bounce and you stop. Bounce and you bounce and you bounce and you stop. Should we bounce fast? Oh, well, we bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Should we bounce slowly? Oh, well, we bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. Bounce and we bounce and we bounce and we stop. I had to go fast there at the end. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Let's sway to my loo, my darling. Swaying can be slow. Swaying left to right, sway to my loo. Swaying left to right, sway to my loo. Swaying left to right, sway to my loo. Sway to my loo, my darling. Swaying can be fast too. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Let's fly again. Let's fly to my loo, my darling. Get your airplane wings out or your birdie wings and fly. Now let's land our planes. We're right back home. I like that stop and start song because it reminds me of how cars can start and stop. You turn on the car, and then the motor starts running, and then you put your foot on the gas and it goes so fast. I'll take you riding in my car, car. Take you riding in my car, car. Take you riding in my car, car. I'll take you riding in my car. What do we do in a car? Oh, we gotta open the door first, right? Okay, open the door with me. I'll let you open the front door, let you open the front door, let you open the front door, I'll take you right in my car. Now you open the front if you're gonna drive the car, but the back if you're just gonna ride. Let's open the back door. I'll let you open the back door, I'll let you open the back door, I'll let you open the back door, I'll take you riding in my car, I'll take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car, I'll take you riding in my car. When we get in the car, we have to put our seatbelt on. Seatbelts for safety. I'll click, click, put on the seatbelt. Click, click, put on the seatbelt. Click, click, put on the seatbelt. I'll take you around in my car. Some people's seatbelts look like this. And then some kids have a seatbelt in their car seat that goes across their chest like this. It's good. Okay, so we got in the car. We put on our seatbelts. Oh, we have to start the car. Let's start the car, start the car, start the car, I'll take you riding in my car. Now we have to turn the wheel. You ready to drive? I'll turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel, I'll take you riding in my car. I'll take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car, I'll take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car. I'll take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car, take you riding in my car. I like that song. Okay, our first art project of the day, I took a paper plate, cut a hole into it. I'm gonna take this middle part right off of it, just like that. And now I have my own steering wheel. And I could decorate my car with markers or with crayons or color pencils. And then I can drive that steering wheel all day long. Did you know that motorboats also have steering wheels? So you can steer or direct the boat. You turn the boat the way you want it to go. Motorboat, motorboat goes so slow. Motorboat, motorboat goes so fast. Motorboat, motorboat, step on the gas. That's another poem I really, really like. So that was our first art project of the day, our steering wheel. Let's get to a little story. Time to read a story now, oh yeah. Vroom-a-loom, zoom. That car is riding on a wave. Do cars drive on water? No, that's so silly. Vroom-a-loom, zoom. One August evening. Hey, August is next month. Cake bake hot. Carmela and her dad decided on a ride. Bring your blankie. Dad grabs the keys. Carmela buckles up in the big yellow car. Click, click, put on your seatbelt. Click, click, put on your seatbelt. Click, click, put on your seatbelt. I'll take you riding in my car. Vroom-a-loom, zoom-a-loom, vroom, zoom. That's the sound that the car makes. Ready for sleep, Dad says as they drive out of town. Not yet. Keep driving, Daddy. So they drive past farms. Moo. Through woods. Hoo, hoo. In cities like Minneapolis or St. Paul. Pell-mell, bell yell, pell-mell, bell yell. Ding, 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 ding. All the way to the sea or the ocean. Splash, crash, wave, crash. Ready? Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. So they drive across swamps. Wurgle, 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 wurgle. Do you see what animals those are? Crocodiles or alligators. Over the streams. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, this man's fishing. Up mountains, hip hop, tippity top. And around waterfalls. Ready yet? Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. So they drive forward, drive backwards, beep, 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 sideways, jig, zag, zigzag, and around in circles, whoopity, doopity, swoopity, loopity. Carmela's eyes close as she snuggles in her car seat. Zoom. Now you're ready, whispers Dad. She pops open one eye. Not yet, Daddy. Keep driving. Vroom-a-loom, zoom-a-loom, vroom, zoom. I like that story a lot. Carmela's dad took her on a ride so she would go to sleep. Does that ever happen to you? Well, friends, today's instrument, shakers. More than one. I brought a rain stick. That's a type of shaker that, oh, it's got little beads in it, but it can shake just like any other. And then I brought a fruit shaker. This one is an apple. And I brought a baby maraca or a chiquita. I've seen you have some maracas at your house. I've seen you play some. I have a yellow one and an egg shaker. We've played these before. Purple is my favorite color. Oh, hey, I have on a purple shirt too. I thought we could do the wheels on the bus with our shakers. You ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Hey, I have an idea of another art project. Let's make our very own shakers. Let's take a paper towel tube and some beans, put those inside and shake. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we stop. We shake and we shake and we shake and we shake. We shake and we shake and we stop. That's a nice easy one to make. Or we could take a water bottle, an empty water bottle, and some rice. I just got some rice out of my cabinet. Can you see it? Rice. And we can put the rice inside of the water bottle. Can you hear it? I'm gonna put a little more. And then I'm gonna close up that water bottle and see. That's a pretty good shaker. Oh, shake, shake, shake with me together. Shake, shake, shake with me together. La 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 la. Well, my friends, we have come to the end of our class. Let's sing goodbye, and then we'll see each other on Zoom.